In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your ClickUp subscription. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for without having to hunt through endless menus. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at any list view in your workspace. The exact list doesn't matter here. We just need to be inside the main app interface so that all the usual menus are visible at the top. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar or initials there. Click on this profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and workspace. From that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where ClickUp groups most of the account and workspace controls, including anything related to billing and subscriptions. It might take a second to load, especially if you're part of a large workspace, so just wait for the settings page to fully appear. Once you're in the settings area, look for a section or tab called Billing. This is usually on the left-hand side of the screen in the main menu for settings. Go ahead and click on Billing. Here, you'll see information about your current payment method, invoices, and most importantly, your active plan. Inside the Billing section, find and select the Plans tab. This is where ClickUp shows which plan you're currently on, whether it's monthly or yearly, and how many members it covers. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct workspace if you belong to more than one, since each workspace can have its own subscription. Now, under the plan that is currently active, look for an option to cancel. This might be labeled Cancel Subscription, Downgrade, or something similar, depending on ClickUp's current wording. It's usually located near the plan description or pricing details. Click that Cancel option and follow any prompts that appear. You may be asked to confirm the cancellation, choose a reason, or review what you'll lose by canceling. Once you complete those on-screen steps, your ClickUp subscription will be set to cancel according to their terms, often at the end of your current billing period, and that's all you need to do to cancel your ClickUp